Thank you again, sir, for giving us this time. My first question, in what ways Ethiopian Airlines contribute to enhance economic and trade relations between Ethiopia and Canada, and how do you envision its role evolve in the future?
Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate for giving me this opportunity to explain what Ethiopian Airlines does here in Canada and its overall strategies. So Ethiopian Airlines here has 5 weekly flights between Addis and Canada, and we have been flying here for the last 10 years. In those 10 years, we've been contributing, economically and socially to the development of both Canada and Africa. We have, besides the people-to-people exchange between, Canada and the continent of Africa, we have also, facilitated, trade and investment through cargo exports and imports, as well as facilitating the trade and investment opportunities between the two countries or continents. So even for the future, we have a very big plan. In Canada, we envision to expand even more, increase our frequencies to Toronto and add other additional frequencies to other places in Canada as well. So going forward, we'll have even further strong ties, and will facilitate that strong ties between Africa and Canada through trade and investment and the facilitation of transportation of goods and services. You cannot facilitate investment and trade without the important link between the two continents, which is the air service agreements, the air service transportation. So Ethiopian Airlines is here, to facilitate that link, and will go strong on that endeavor.
So, which means that investors can count on Ethiopian Airlines,
of course,
to make business between not only Ethiopia but also the whole Africa.
The whole Africa. Addis Ababa is a gateway to more than 61 destinations in Africa. So, whatever flights that we have between Addis and Canada will connect Africa as well. So, the investment and trade opportunities between Canada and Africa will be facilitated through Ethiopian Airlines and its hub in Addis.
What makes Ethiopia Airlines apart from other airlines? Besides
its state-of-the-art aircrafts, our in-flight services, we have a very good, connectivity in Addis. We always make sure that the connection between, the hub and the next flight is within like an hour or two, so making it more or less a smooth transfer between between the points, online points. So that makes it very competitive and efficient and short for the customers as well. So they feel as if they are flying directly between the final destination and Canada.
If you had last word for that business person who is watching you right now, or that's someone, a simple person somewhere, who is planning to travel either to Africa or from Africa to Canada. If you have those 2 words, what can they be?
Fly with Ethiopian Airlines directly between Africa and Canada. It's one of the most direct flights that we have between the two continents or countries. So choose Ethiopian Airlines and you'll have a very great service, both for passengers and cargo business.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.